DJ Derby here, and today I'm making a short video just to explain how you can laser cut racetracks. So what you want to do is you want to open your web browser and search up OpenStreetMaps, and then I'm going to use the example of Albert Park. You want to type it into the search bar and then press go. It'll then take you to where it is. You want to get the track about the middle of your screen and then press this icon here, the share. You want to change the format to an SVG and then download it. I've already done this and opened it up in Inkscape. If you don't have Inkscape, you will need to download it to complete this tutorial. So you want to choose this thing here, edit paths by node, and then select one of the bits of the track. You want to right click, select same, and fill and stroke. Then I want to go and press Ctrl X to cut it, and then you want to just delete the background. You then paste it, and when I usually do tracks, I usually get rid of the pit straight, so I'm gonna click on that and then just delete it. So I also group it as well, just to make later steps easier. So I go into document properties, I change it to A4 as that's what I usually use to laser cut, and then I scale it to the size that I want, and then you select it, go to the fill and stroke here, and then you change this. I use blue for my laser cutter as that's the engrave tool. Then you can just select the size here. I put it to about 2mm. You then want to copy it and paste it. So I also have red as the cut tool, so I'll change this one to red and then change the width of it to about 10mm, and then you select both of them, go to the align tool here and then align both of them. If you send the red one to the back by pressing this here, now this bit's rather important if you want to have like an outline of the track. So you go here, path, and then stroke to path. This will mean instead of a line down the middle, oh wait, you actually get two lines around the outside of it, and also do this for the cut, so that when it cuts, it'll cut around it and not just through the middle. And that is how you can laser cut an F1 track or racetrack.